Welcome to the factory of Natraj Machinery Private Limited located in Sector 27C, Faridabad. Here in this video, I'll be telling you about the semi-automatic single-facer corrugation machine which we manufacture. Single-facer is a machine which converts kraft paper into two-ply corrugated board. Through various processes, wave-like shape or flutes are imparted to paper and simultaneously glued to another layer of paper to form a two-ply board. Corrugated boards can then be cut, creased and folded to make cartons or boxes. This machine is a system of various sub-assemblies such as a reel stand, corrugation rolls, gluing system, preheaters, heaters, blower, lubrication system, rewinding system, etc. For production of quality corrugated board, the single-faced corrugate quality should be excellent. And the quality is excellent when there is accurate flute formation with uniform flute height, there is a proper heating system, and there is a uniform adhesive application system. We ensure accurate flute formation by using the highest quality of corrugation rolls. The corrugation machine has one fluted upper roll, one fluted center roll, a pressure roll, a gum pipe, and a gum cutting pipe. Our flute rolls are made of alloy steel in EN19 or EN24 grade to provide strength and ductility. The rolls are forged and heat treated for a long life and better finish. We make the flute shape on the rolls in-house on our Siemens CNC machine for a remarkable board output. So friends, let me take you inside our factory and show you the fingerless single-facer corrugation machine being tested and final checks being conducted by the technicians and our senior management before it is dispatched to the clients for box making. The fluted two-ply board is being checked for flute formation and glue application. Two reels of paper are mounted on a reel stand. Our reel stand has a hydraulic system which enables easy mounting and changeover of reels. Paper from one reel travels from the top over the upper preheater, finally passing through the fluted upper roll and center corrugating roll. The rolls are heated at high temperatures to absorb moisture and ensure proper flute formation. In a fingerless machine, heavy-duty blower system is installed to hold the paper against the corrugation rolls. This system has a suction jacket, blower fan, a separate motor, and a silencer mounted on a separate stand. In other machines, fingers or adapters are used to hold the paper. Corrugation board from fingerless machines have high compression strength and have lesser marks of fingers or adapters, so the finish is quite good. On the other side of the machine is the adhesive or the gluing system. In this machine, we are using a gum dam system which has a gum roll, a gum pipe, gum tank and gum trays. We use a slotless gum roll for even gum application throughout the decal. The machines which have slotted gum rolls have a breakage in gum application every few inches. We also use an extra strip called the gum cutting strip for even application of gum, thus resulting in less gum consumption. The speed of flow of gum is uniformly maintained. There are fiber sheets in the gum tray which can be adjusted depending on the size of the decal. Paper from the other reel passes from the bottom through the lower preheater, moving into the center roll and the pressure roll. After gum application, the two papers come in contact and at this point, pressure is applied between fluted paper and the liner paper. Consequently, the adhesive joins fluted paper and liner paper instantly. Here you see the dual-step temperature control panel which controls the temperature of the heaters in the three corrugation rolls and the two preheaters with the help of sensors. The temperature is displayed on the panel and we can set the temperature and save electricity with the auto cut system. There is also an option to use zonal heaters. Emerging from the other end is the two-ply single-faced corrugate. It is being folded in the reel form using a rewinding system where it is cooled by natural convection. You can see the technician examining the flute shape and checking gum application. Apart from the temperature control panel, there is also a desk type VFD panel to control the speed of the machine. Inside the panel, you can see two variable frequency drives, one for the corrugation machine and the other for the sheet cutting machine. Instead of using the rewinding system, the 2-ply board can also be straight away passed to the sheet cutter machine to be cut into the desired size. The corrugation machine and the sheet cutting machine can be synchronized to save time using the double VFD drives. Automatic lubrication system with timer is a standard feature of all our machines. At Natraj Machinery, we take pride in making technically advanced machines. We use the best quality of raw materials to make sure that our machines are sturdy and run smoothly for decades. The base and side frames are of heavy duty casting, which makes the skeleton structure robust, thus limiting vibration and enhancing the life of machines. The rollers are the heart of the machine, so we use EN19 or EN24 alloy steel forged material. We use power efficient heaters, ISI brand motors and drives, and so on. In-house research, designing, tooling and fabrication enhances precision, tool work and fitting. Various tests are carried out during different production stages that allows us to provide optimum performance standards. We believe that after-sales service is a backbone for any business, and thus we have a dedicated team to provide after-sales service to our clients. Over the past 40 years of our operation, we have more than 10,000 happy clients in India and abroad. Natraj Machinery is backed up by a very strong team of dedicated and dynamic technicians led by Mr. Om Prakash Nagpal. His extensive experience in the corrugating industry, knowledge of the latest production technologies, and a visionary team ensures high quality levels in production outputs. We will be happy to provide you any technical details or any other information you might need. Please contact us on info@natrajmachinery.com or call us on the given numbers. You can also see the description box below for further details. Thank you for watching the video.